Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tech products on the market. Today, we're taking a close look at the ADATA SU760 512GB 3D NAND 2.5-inch SATA 3 internal SSD, one of the best storage solutions available right now. If you're looking for a reliable, fast, and cost-effective way to upgrade your storage, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Let's start with the basics. The ADATA SU760 is a 512GB solid-state drive, built with 3D TLC NAND technology. What does that mean for you? It means faster speeds, improved durability, and better overall performance compared to older, traditional hard drives. This is a SATA 3 SSD, which means it offers speeds of up to 550 megabytes per second for read and 520 megabytes per second for write operations. While actual speeds can vary depending on your system and use case, this SSD is designed to make your everyday computing tasks run smoother and faster. If you're wondering about the build, the SU760 is a 2.5-inch form factor, making it a great choice for laptops and desktops that support the standard SATA interface. The drive is lightweight, compact, and easy to install. Whether you're replacing an old hard drive or upgrading from another SSD, this product will slot right in with minimal hassle. But it's not just about speed and convenience. The ADATA SU760 also uses an SLC dynamic caching mechanism to optimize read and write operations. This feature is especially helpful for handling larger files or multitasking between apps. It also comes with DRAM buffer to further boost its performance, ensuring that your system runs without slowdowns, even when you're pushing it to its limits. Another great feature of this SSD is its error correction technology. The ADATA SU760 uses LDPC error correcting code, which helps ensure that your data stays intact and free from corruption. This added level of security is essential, particularly for important files, as it reduces the chances of data loss and system crashes. For those of you who like to stay on top of your system's health, ADATA provides free downloadable SSD toolbox and migration software. The toolbox gives you access to important monitoring features, like checking the SSD's health, lifespan, and performance statistics, while the migration software makes it easy to transfer your data from an old drive to the new one, without the need for complicated setups or third-party programs. When it comes to durability, the SU760 doesn't disappoint. It's designed with wear leveling, which helps distribute data evenly across the drive to prevent excessive wear on specific memory cells, ultimately extending the lifespan of the SSD. Additionally, it's built to withstand shocks and vibrations, so whether you're installing it in a laptop or using it in a desktop, it's tough enough to handle everyday wear and tear. Now, if you're in the market for an SSD, it's important to keep the price in mind. The ADATA SU760 offers fantastic value for money, especially considering the performance and reliability it delivers. Whether you're using it for gaming, media editing, or just general computing, you can be sure you're getting a solid, high-performance drive at a great price point. To sum it all up, the ADATA SU760 512GB SSD is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their storage. It offers speed, reliability, and value in a compact package. With its 3D NAND technology, SLC caching, LDPC error correction, and DRAM buffer, it's built to keep your system running smoothly for years to come. Plus, the included SSD toolbox and migration software make setup and maintenance a breeze. That wraps up our review of the ADATA SU760 512GB SSD. If you're looking to give your computer a serious performance boost, this is one product you definitely want to check out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the best tech out there.